Ready?
Wait, hold up, no.
Yeah, we're ready. Okay, so where do we cut it? Right there. From where? Right here. Stick it in. And fucking cut it up. And stop at the mouth. Oh my god.
Here, I'll do it.
There you go.
No. Right here.
Yeah. Where? Right here?
Like in the middle.
Dr. and Ford. Right there? Dr. Ford.
You have to hold the frog.
Oh my god. Dr. Ford missed time. Dr. Ford. Oh my god. Dr. Ford.
I see it. There's liquid coming out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It smells so bad. You're not even cutting it no more. Are you?
Yeah. Oh shit.
What are these for? What are these for? Wait, follow the instructions.
Andy, read the instructions.
Oh my god. Take a look at both your
Fernandez, what do we do?
Okay, observe the eyes of your frog. They are located on the top of the frog's head of her like
Keep going. Wait. Stop being chickens.
Are you guys open it?
No, we left it alone.
You have to look at the eyes. That's what it says. Don't
Wait, cut out the eyes. What the fuck?
No, don't cut it out.
Oh, I was like,
Mark, you better not have. Mark, observe the eyes of your frog. They are located on the top of the
bro, they're
frog's head.
foggy. That's all we need to know.
Okay.
Bro, what
You're
is
not
it?
done yet.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Hold it down.
I don't know. Do we just keep on cutting it? Oh shoot.
Yeah. Just
So-
cut it all the way to the top.
No, it says we have to spread it flavor.
Okay, there.
What are you guys doing? Wait.
And then, where are we at? Okay. Oh,
Dude, I need both. I'm not trying
Cavity.
to do.
Are you recording? Andy.
I'm recording.
I'm recording. We're all recording. Andy, can I see your iPad? I need to switch this up.
Oh, cut them out. Cut them out.
Cut them
No, you have
out.
to wait because you have to open up the digestive system first.
It bounced. Oh my god. I tried to like hold our one day.
Oh my god. Do I just cut it like
You have to open up this. Don't cut the mouth yet. You have to do this first.
what? Cut it from.
Open it. You're not supposed to
Bruh.
open it yet.
You're not supposed to cut it yet.
That's open up the. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You guys.
They told you to cut it.
I thought this squid tea on saliva.
You weren't supposed to cut it yet. You're supposed to cut the mouth. Like right there.
Oh my god.
I didn't try to cut
That's your
it.
fault.
No, it's your fault because you're the one that told her to cut it.
I said, do we start cutting it? Because I don't know.
Sure.
And then he said no, you said no, she just started cutting it.
Cut the mouth.
God, oh my god.
Why are you doing that? I don't know.
Because they're chickens and they're afraid to touch. Oh shit! I feel. Oh my god! I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Oh my god! It's hard. It's hard.
Why are you touching the frog?
I think
Don't you have pity for the frog? What the fuck?
Mr. Travis saw us cutting it.
I feel bad.
Oh my!
I poked the eye. I poked the eye.
You poked the eye.
By accident. Did you hear a
Alright,
crunch?
open it. Yeah, open it. Open wide, little guy. Should I cut it some more?
to cut it.
Oh my god, you're ripping it. You're ripping it.
You know, I didn't hear a crunch. Here, let me do it.
No, hold it. I can't.
Let me do it. You're supposed to use the scissors and just open it like that. You're not supposed to use that. Let me see. Move. You have no mercy. You have mercy.
Get that little motherfucker.
My fingers don't.
What is this? I know what it is.
Can you help? I got you.
No.
Alright. Touch the eyeball.
No.
Don't.
Stop it.
Stop. Move that. Need space.
You already cut it. I'm just gonna stick my finger in there.
Just to tell
There should be open, right?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I didn't touch it.
Screw it.
Come on.
Oh my god, why did you have that?
I'm not feeling anything that was. He put his finger in the frog's mouth and I just closed it. He tried to snap it.
We did it.
No, you're supposed to put what? Cut up in the mouth? Dude, you're such a boob. You cut open the frog already?
She did. Don't. You're not supposed to open it. Don't open it. Stop.
Travis.
Screw it. I'm opening it. What are we supposed to do?
Open it.
It smells so bad.
I think we just got it open already.
That's good. Look at my hair.
How do you hold it open?
Yeah, what's wrong with you?
Sicko.
Okay. Ah. I got the frog juice on me. Okay. You guys are wimps.
Stop being scared of cats and just do it.
Wimp. Screw off.
Bro, just use your hands.
Okay, you guys have it open.
Chicken. Just get it open.
That's the ear right here. Behind the eye.
No, you're not supposed to do that. Who has the instructions? You read it.
I can't read it. Where are we at? You're not even following him. Because you weren't supposed to cut it up. Okay, what do we do now?
Number 7 is rubbing their lower area.
Like run your finger around the jaw.
Why did he say?
Not the area there.
I got it open.
Now let's feed it some food. And now this is this.
Oh, you're supposed to open the left leg.
What?
The left leg.
Ew!
Open the left leg.
Which one's the left?
I don't know.
This is left. What do you mean?
Are you supposed to cut it from here? Go like that.
Right here? Like that?
Like this.
So right here. Like this? Boy, look at it.
That's the right one.
Like this?
Yeah.
And yours are wrong? Yeah, like that. Yeah. You see how the... Yeah, like that. So we want to get the big...
Okay, we have about 10
Oh, wait, no, right there. Right
minutes
here.
left before we have to start cleaning up. So.
Right here? Where?
Right here.
Where are our
Like I said, right
teammates?
there. What's up? That's the body. And then the lines are right here.
Alright, what's
So
up?
you're supposed to cut off the head and the...
Not right here.
No, you're not supposed to cut off the head.
I'm confused.
Let's cut the leg. What part does he cut open? What part does he cut open? Because he's confused.
I'm confused.
Are you reading the instructions? I don't think you're even going in the right order. Did you do number 11 yet? I don't think so. You guys open the mouth?
Yeah.
Cut open the mouth and look inside and locate all the parts of the mouth? Yeah? Okay, then I would suggest you start reading where you left off. Are you reading the instructions? You have to do stuff with the legs.
Yeah, I told you.
Read what?
You told me that you can read this.
No.
Okay, that's what I thought.
I'm the one that's messing with the front, so.
Here, you can read
I
it.
can't read.
You can't read?
No, I can't.
Then how did you go to school?
I don't know.
Give it to Andy to read.
Andy, read it.
Start from number 7.
Number 7, we did 11.
He wants to read. So, 2. It didn't touch the front.
You see?
Just give me it.